Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. आज 31st December है, last day of the year 2024 and we are stepping into 2025 and I wanted to step into 2025 with the Pantone color of the year 2025. The Pantone people come out with the color every year which they declare as the color of the year, which dominates the fashion world throughout the year, and for this year the Pantone color is Mocha Mousse. Sounds so yummy, na? You just think of chocolate and coffee, two of my most favorite things, and I wanted to create a makeup look with the theme of Mocha Mousse. I love brown. I love all tones of brown and I'm going to create a nice brown makeup look today. I chose to not wear lenses because I think like my eye color is perfect for any brown makeup. Like my brown suits best with my natural eye color, which is this dark brown. So I chose not to wear lenses for this makeup look, and let's get started with today's makeup look. सर्दियाँ हैं and my skin is excruciatingly dry right now, so I need all the hydration it can get. So for an added layer of hydration, I'm using my Embryoliise Lait Creme concentrate all over my face to add an extra layer of moisturization to my face. I will be filming my project pan for 2025 and all the blushes I bought for 2025. Also, my new year giveaway is due, which I will be announcing in my next video, whichever one that will be. So stay tuned for some really nice upcoming stuff on my channel. साल पे साल ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं पर ये मेरे काले गड्ढे ख़त्म होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे हैं. So I'm going to correct them with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. My skin is acting really weird these days, guys. I don't know why it's breaking out so much. I have like small bumps all over my skin. It's really annoying. For the foundations, I'm going to be mixing in two foundations. One is my Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow Luminizing Fluid Foundation with SPF of 20 in the shade Golden 4, which is a bit darker for me. So I'm going to mix in my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F9, which is a bit lighter for me. You guys have seen this foundation so much on my channel this year because it was in my project pan and I was trying to use it up, which I haven't. So it is going to be in my project pen 2025 as well, and I really did not do very well with my project pen last year, but I'm going to be a bit more consistent this year. And then for the concealer, another product that I'm planning to use up in 2025, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Again, one of my absolute favorites. You do not get it in India yet, but I'm planning on traveling next year, so I'm going to get a new one of this. And next, before moving on to set my face, I'm going to use the remaining last bits of my Maybelline Be Face Duo Stick to add a little bit of bronze to my skin. I think this will be the last time I'll be using it because it's gone and it's now literally scratching my face. This Mocha Mousse makeup look is all about that nice bronziness and nice chocolate tones all over my face. I'm not going to be adding any color as such to the look, just some nice browns and bronzes, and those are my favorite tones anyway. Now let me quickly go ahead and set my face and fill in my eyebrows off the camera, and then I'll be right back to finish off the rest of my makeup. Moving on to adding a little bit more bronze to my face just to set the bronzer that I've already used. I'm taking my Smashbox Contour Kit, of course. Another product that I'm trying to use up, and let me tell you, I've done a pretty good job at it. I haven't even touched the lightest shade in this palette, which is supposed to be a highlighting shade. Highlighting as in, I think it is more of a setting powder kind of a shade. So I'm planning to use it up next, but first I want to use up the bronzer in this. Now coming on to the eyes, I want to keep my eyes nice and bronzy and browny and very Mocha Mousse-y. So I'm using my Colourpop Double Entendre eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using just two shades in the palette. This darker brown with a tiny bit of a golden shimmer to it, and then this lighter brown in the crease. So let's first go in with the darker brown shade. With a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to just put it all over my eyelids. This shade is really nice and very Mocha Mousse kind of a shade, and perfect. I'm using the same brush to use a lighter brown in my crease, just to blend everything and to soften everything, a very tiny amount of it. And that's it for the eyeshadows. I have another product, a brand new product that I'm going to be trying out for the first time, but it is going to go beautifully with this eye look. I have the NARS High Pigment Longwear Eyeliner in the shade Mullholland Drive. This one also is a very beautiful Mocha Mousse brown, stunning shade. I'm using it to line along with my upper lash line, just to add a hint more of brown and mocha. It's a very beautiful brown. It has a hint of a reddish undertone to it, and it has a nice amount of a metallic glitter to it. I'm also using it in the waterline, just to add that nice chocolatey touch to the waterline as well. And I'm going to use a darker brown that we use on the eyelids to smudge this eyeliner on the lower lash line. Now what could have been more perfect was to use a brown mascara, but I do not have a brown mascara in my collection. I'm really looking to try one out, so if you guys have tried one out and you know of a very good brown mascara, please do let me know in the comments below. Right now I'm using my Kiko Milano Lost in Amalfi mascara, and I'm just using it to load up my eyelashes. Now for the blush, I didn't want to add a lot of color to my skin, so I'm using a nice neutral blush. I'm taking my Kiko Milano Powder Creamy Blush in the shade 03. It's a really nice neutral blush, and it will add a little bit of something to your cheeks. It will not add a lot of color to your cheeks, but still give them a nice rosiness. And then the tiniest bit of highlight. Guys, this Chotu sa highlight has been going on for the entire year. I have used it literally for the entire year in all my videos and even like offline, and I have still not even hit a pan on this. Like, you really need the tiniest bit of it, but like I am stunned with how long this has lasted me and still going on strong. And now lastly for the lips, again of course we need a nice brown, and a good matte brown is my color of choice, and I'm using my e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Coffee for that. I love this shade. I absolutely love this shade. It's such a nice brown, a matte, dries down to be completely matte and a transfer proof kind of a brown, a universally flattering brown, and the formula, longevity, everything about this lipstick is just phenomenal. And well, yeah guys, that is it. This is the final finished makeup look. This is my Mocha Mousse makeup look. I love how nice and chocolatey and mocha and moussey this makeup looks. It's really nice and tempting. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.